Question: is it possible to register a business name in Nigeria without ever visiting the physical location of CAC? 100% yes. And I mean, as at yesterday, I just did it. And you can stay in the comfort of your system, I mean, your phone or your laptop, wherever you are, whether in your office or your home, and start the process and finish it, including receiving your original certificates without ever visiting any physical location of the CAC. But first, you need to understand some of the benefits that accrue to business registration, okay, aside just having it as a legal entity. Number one is that it gives you a kind of serious look, okay, in the eyes of every interested party, whether customers, partners, or suppliers. Are you following this? I remember an incident that happened just a few years ago. A friend won a government contract, but they now asked him for an account to pay in the money, and he was providing his personal account, and they refused. God helped him that he found a way to quickly register a business name, and then send them before the time elapsed. But guess what? What if there were other competitors? What do you think would have happened? This guy probably would have lost that deal just because he didn't have a business name at the time that would have allowed him to open a bank account. Now, it's not just about having a business name. You also need to take the second step, the extra step of going to any bank of your choice. I mean, major commercial banks. Okay, you know them. I don't want to mention any name, but you know the major commercial banks in Nigeria. Okay, you go there and open a business account with that name that you have registered on the CAC. Again, when you register a name with the CAC, you get that name locked up with your business in the sense that no other party or person will be able to use that name, okay? Will be able to register that name. If you don't, maybe you are running a business already that is booming and everybody knows you with that name, chances are someone else has registered that business name. And when you go, you can undo it. Are you following this? So it's important you take advantage of registering that business name. Maybe you have an idea of it. You already know this, the business I'm going to go into, this, the name. Go ahead and register it with the CAC. Okay. If you're already running a business and you have a name, it's important you also do so. Okay. And once you do, I also will advise that you go to a major commercial bank with your particulars of registration to open a business account in that business name. This will also make it easy for you to get some business loan, business grants. If you don't have a business name, that one is not for you. People also will not take your business as serious if it's not registered. So there are many benefits. Maybe in one of the videos, I will still outline those benefits. But I want to first assure you that it is very possible to sit in the comfort of your system, your phone or your laptop, and get your business registered with the CAC. Okay, even to the point of getting the certificate. It's only my first business that I had to visit the physical location of the CAC. After that one, I've registered other businesses for myself that I needed not to visit any location of the CAC, and I got even the certificate. So in this video series, which I'll be breaking into about 2, 3, or 4, I'll be sharing with you the steps to take, starting with creating the account needed for this business registration. Of course, there is first of all the public name search, where you search to see if similar name exists, okay, with the CAC. Okay, apart from that, you will now do what is called name reservation search. You will supply CAC with 2 names and they will go through it and approve one for you. In some cases, they might not approve any of them, okay? So there are reasons they might not approve it. They might tell you probably someone else is using that business name or something similar to that. Because of that, they will not want to approve it. Also, if you are submitting a name that contains things like trust, government, national, your name might not be approved. In the first video of this series, we'll be learning how to create an account with the CAC website that will enable us to do the next one, which is go for name reservation, okay? Name reservation search, and then we'll do another video on how to go for name registration after the name has been reserved for you. Okay, so we go with the first step, which is creating the account with the CAC the proper way. If you miss it at the stage of this account creation, you have missed it in all other steps. Okay, So it's important you pay keen attention to this video from beginning to the end. I took my time to detail every step you need to take in the simplest language. Okay, all you need to do after seeing this particular video is to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get alerted when we upload the subsequent ones. Or if you have uploaded the subsequent ones after seeing this one, go ahead and check other ones, and we will always be bringing you updates with regards to this business name registration. By the way, here on Profit Leverage, we share tips, tools, and trends that will help you minimize costs, optimize processes, and maximize opportunities for more profitability. Furthermore, we share strategies that will help you create multiple streams of income from one spot of idea. So go ahead and subscribe, then turn on the notification bell, and let's get right into the tutorial. All right, we'll be going straight to the business of registration of your business name. By the way, this training is not only for you to register your own business names, you can as well use it to register for other people. Okay, that means you can enjoy the profit of registering a business name for others. And that's what I do. So in case you don't have the time to do it yourself, you can as well contact me and I will help you to run the process. Okay, so just use the contact details you have on this channel and I'll be there to help. Myself and my team will be there to help you register that business name, even help you with other things pertaining to the bank registration. That's account creation with a bank, having that business name, corporate account opening with that business name. So you can also use this video, or you get a book, Business Registration Profits, to help you understand how to turn this into a business. Okay, the title is Business Registration Profits. It gives you every detail on how to register a business even for other people and make money doing so. Business Registration Profit is an ebook that you can get from anywhere in the world. Okay, so learn this to register your own business and as well create a business from this video. Okay, so let's get straight into the tutorial for today, which is account creation. CAC stands for Corporate Affairs Commission. They are the body responsible for business registration in Nigeria. They also take care of registration of NGOs, registration of public limited companies, any kind of organization that you want to register. CAC is the place to go. This video, I think I'll be breaking it into 3 or 4 parts. Okay, this particular part is basically how to create an account with the CAC online, okay, with which you can use to do name reservation and then go ahead to do registration of your business and as well get all the documents. You don't need to step out of your house to do this. Okay, this particular one I'm doing is right from my office. So I want to help a friend to register a business. Yes, he's a friend, but he's got to pay for it. Okay, so I'm going to run this so you see how to create accounts. In another video we'll do name reservation. Okay, in another video we'll do name registration. Okay, now reservation will come before registration. You have to reserve a name before you register it. Okay, so there is a little amount to pay to do name reservation. You have to do availability search for that name within the CAC platform. Okay, now this is different from the public search. We'll still do a video that covers public search. You can search any company at all. Okay, you don't have to create this account to do that particular one. Okay, but for the one we want to do now, which will be name reservation, because we've already gotten about 2 names we want to attempt registering. Of course, CAC will give you that provision to submit up to 2 names. So if the first one doesn't go through, the second one could. Okay, there could be reason the first one might not go through. Maybe within their database they have a similar name. Okay, and because of that they might not want you to still register that name, because every business will have a unique name. Okay, so that's very, very important. There are also names that they will not want you to register a business with, like name that end with government, that ends with national, some of those things. Okay, now in another video we treat that, but basically in this video we want to focus on creating the account that will be used for the name reservation and then much later for name registration. Okay, so to do that we are on the CAC website, which is cac.gov.ng. .gov, okay, .ng, okay. So that's the website, that's where we are now, but I have to scroll down a bit. I could still get the link to this and send it to you directly. Maybe I'll share it in the description or in the comment section of this video. Now we'll go to online registration. Now if you look here, this public search, public in the sense that you don't have to create an account to do a search. You can search any company name with just clicking the public search. We'll do another video where I will tell you the importance of this, okay. We've passed that stage in the one that we want to do now, so we are coming to online registration. So I click on that, allow it to load. Now it brings you here, and it's important that you carefully read what's here. But first of all, you have two buttons here, register or login. So if you've registered or created an account with the CAC, then you will have to log in. But in this case, this person has not registered an account here, okay. Now I want you to read something before we proceed. It says no, not here, we'll get to that place, okay. Yeah, let's proceed. Let's go to register, okay, because we're not logging in now. Let's go to register. Now I'll show you something that is important to note before you continue. Now here it says any member of the public can create an account. Kindly note, you will be a director, trustee, or proprietor partner during the registration process, okay. Please provide the necessary details. Now this is the mistake that most people make, okay. Now if I'm using or helping somebody to do this, it's important I provide the person's detail. First of all, I'll have to ask the person whether he is the one that owns the business or he wants to do it for someone else. If he wants to do it for someone else, I will use that person's particulars, the person he wants to do it for, to set up this account, because automatically any name you create the CAC account with automatically becomes either a partner, director, trustee, or proprietor of that business. It's automatic. I made this mistake in the first business I registered for someone because I used the account I created with my name to run that. At the end of the day, the certificate had to bear my name and it was not so professional, okay. Though we had to take some process to correct that, but you don't need that now. You need to get it right from the onset. Part of the reason for this video. Please let me at this point urge you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Don't only subscribe, subscription is free. Turning on the notification bell is also free, okay. Turning it on, the notification bell, is to help YouTube alert you when we post the subsequent videos, especially on this topic that we are treating now, okay, if you want to stay updated, okay. So let's proceed. You've understood that you have to use the details of you if you are the owner of that business or of the person that you want to register that business for, because you can learn this and use it for business. Yes, as a matter of fact, I'm doing it now and I'm making money out of it because I'm helping someone to do this. Not many know how to do it, okay. So any member of the public, like you had, can create an account, and that also means any member of the public can proceed with name reservation and name registration. So to open an account, we have two options. Earlier in the other page, they told us that they suspended the use of NIN. They are working on something, okay. So we're not going to use NIN, but first of all, see here, it says continue existing queue registration. So if you have started but paused at a point, you need to click this to continue. Please select to create account as a non-Nigerian. So a non-Nigerian can as well create an account and open a business name with the CAC, but we are not non-Nigerian. I'm not doing it for a non-Nigerian, I'm doing it for a Nigerian. So we scroll down. Now you see we have two things here. Now some people get confused here. They will put a phone number and then put NIN and they get stuck. Okay, now read what is here. Here it says or, it didn't say and. Okay, that means it could be this or this. And at the moment, they are not making use of NIN. Okay, national identification number, they are not making use of it. I think they had some issues, so they had to suspend it for now. So what we use is the phone number. So I'm going to put the phone number. Once I put it, I hit on next. So I will not show you the phone number, but you see me hit on next. Just know that what I did in your absence now will be to put a phone number here and then hit on next. Okay, let me go right straight to do that. So after I put the phone number and click on next, it brought me here. Okay, so what's going to be happening here is that I'm going to be filling up all the details required here, and I'm going to fill it up correctly. Okay, I have to be very correct in the details I'm filling here. The surname must be as it is on your ID card that you are using, because at the point you want to open a bank account with this business name we were creating, they will require it to be in the sequence of your ID card and what you have on your CAC documents. Okay, so I'm going to fill up those spaces, okay, and then get to the next thing. Once I'm done, remember we're just creating an account. Once I'm done, I'll come here and click register. Okay, so let me fill up the processes or the forms. That's the boxes here. I'll fill it up. Okay, now this is still the same information we read earlier. Okay, so in case you're wondering what is up here, so I'm going to fill up these accordingly. So I'm done filling up all that we are asked, okay, that I should supply. So I've done the registration. Okay, now they're asking me to log in, so I'm going to log in with my details to know whether the registration I did worked. Okay, so I'll log in. I will use email at this point in time. Okay, sorry, I failed to mention that they will send you, CAC will send you an email, okay, to verify that the email you use for this registration is correct. Okay, without that you cannot log in. Okay, so in the email I used, so I'll have to scroll down. You can see account verification, so I'll have to verify. Okay, so you can see the details here, so I have to click. I'll close off some of these. I'll click here to verify the account. So email confirmed. Okay, so it's important that you put in the right email, because if you put the wrong email, they will send the notification to that wrong email and you will not be able to access it. Okay, so this step is very, very important. So now that they have verified the email, okay, they have confirmed it, I will go to log in with this email. Okay, so I'll click on login now. Remember, at first we use register. Okay, I'll click on login. Okay, now I want to use email. I can as well use phone number, but let's use the email, or even the username. I can as well use username, but let's use the email, or let's use username. So I have been able to log in after the account creation. Okay, so I'm in here. The next thing much later that we'll do, I'm not going to do that now, but that will be the next video, okay, to this one that I've just done, okay, will be name reservation. Can you see here my reservations, new name reservations? So for me to start this process of name reservation, I'll click here and go to new name reservation. If I click here, there is no reservation at this point in time because this is a new account. Okay, but this is how to create a CAC account. Follow these steps. If you have issues, just let me know in the comment, but there shouldn't be issues. Okay, go through the form like I showed you earlier. I have to cover up some things because they are vital information. Provide all those information, be accurate. Okay, put the surname where the surname should be, first name where the first name should be, and then the last name. Okay, then come to email, put the right email. Remember, you start with a phone number before you come to this point. So when you have done all those, they will send you, that's when you've done all those and you have hit register, they will now send you a notification to that email that you supplied. So visit the email and find their message to verify the email with them. So once they confirm the email, you can log in and continue with other processes. So do that, and let's see in the next video. If you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated on our next video. See you in the next video. Remember, this is Profit Leverage. Here we share tips, tools and trends that will help you minimize costs, optimize processes, and maximize opportunities for more profitability. We also help you with strategies to creating multiple streams of income from one spot of idea, from any idea at all. So once again, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next video.